extreme flooding has struck Israel as relentless heavy rainfall triggered widespread inundation across several cities, leaving urban areas paralyzed and forcing dozens of residents to evacuate. Asterisk. The flooding began after torrential rain swept across multiple regions of Israel overnight. The rainfall continued into the early morning hours, rapidly accumulating and saturating the ground. Small rivers, drainage canals, and water channels quickly overflowed, sending powerful currents through residential neighborhoods and city streets. Meteorological services had issued weather warnings, but the intensity of the rainfall exceeded expectations, causing flash flooding in low-lying urban areas within a very short time. Residents reported water levels rising suddenly, leaving little time to secure property or escape without assistance. Cities paralyzed. Several major roads were submerged, forcing authorities to shut down traffic completely. Vehicles were left stranded in deep water, while public transportation services were suspended for safety reasons. Residential areas flooded. Floodwaters entered homes, shops, and public buildings, damaging property and forcing families to move to higher ground. In some areas, electricity was temporarily cut off to prevent electrical hazards. Dozens evacuated. Emergency responders evacuated dozens of residents, including elderly people and children, from flooded homes. Some evacuations were carried out using rescue vehicles and inflatable boats. Significant property damage, although no fatalities have been officially confirmed. Authorities report extensive material damage. Cars were destroyed, businesses flooded, and critical infrastructure suffered serious impact. Israeli emergency services were deployed at full capacity. Firefighters, police, medical teams, and civil defense units worked throughout the night to rescue stranded residents and secure dangerous areas. Temporary shelters were opened to accommodate providing food, drinking water, and basic medical assistance. Officials urged the public to stay away from flooded zones and warned that even water could hide strong currents capable of sweeping people and vehicles. Weather alerts remain in effect as authorities continue to monitor the situation closely.